You've probably heard about psychological tricks that can make someone obsess over you. But real influence isn't about gimmicks or manipulation. It's about triggering deeper, natural connection mechanisms in the brain. Today, we're diving into 7 proven psychological principles that help create genuine fascination and attraction with a woman when used ethically and authentically. First, emotional priming. Our brains link people with feelings, not facts. Think about the times you remember someone because of how they made you feel: excitement, curiosity, or surprise. Creating a memorable emotional experience is key. Use humor, tell exciting or mysterious stories, or gently challenge expectations. For example, tease playfully or share a bold but thoughtful opinion that sparks curiosity. This positive emotional imprint forms a foundation for attraction. Second, scarcity and playing hard to get. Scarcity triggers dopamine, our reward chemical. When something is rare or not always available, our brains assign greater value to it. If you're too available or predictable, attraction wanes. Instead, balance warmth with a sense that your attention is earned. Show that you have an interesting, active life and that your time is valuable. This creates a healthy chase dynamic that naturally makes someone want to invest more in you. Third, unpredictability. The brain loves novelty because it triggers dopamine spikes, the chemical of desire and motivation. Bring variety to your interactions. Change your tone, timing, or the topics you discuss. Surprise her with last-minute fun plans or unexpected compliments. For instance, switch between deep topics and light humor to keep the conversation fresh. Predictability equals boredom. Unpredictability equals fascination. Fourth, deep validation. Everyone wants to feel truly understood and accepted. This isn't about empty flattery. Real validation involves active listening, noticing her true feelings, fears, and desires, then reflecting them back in your own words. Say things like, "It sounds like that experience really means a lot to you," or "I can see why that's important." Showing that you see her beyond surface-level traits builds emotional safety, which is the bedrock of any strong connection. Fifth, authentic vulnerability. Sharing your real self, including imperfections, fears, and dreams, can be powerful. Vulnerability builds trust and signals confidence. For example, test small disclosures like admitting a past failure or a personal goal. This invites her to share too and deepens intimacy. It's important to balance vulnerability with strength. Avoid oversharing or seeking pity, but be genuinely open. Sixth, presence and calm power. Attraction isn't just what you say, it's how you carry yourself. A settled, confident energy is magnetic. Be fully present in the moment, listen without distraction. Keep body language open and relaxed, and speak with measured pacing. People are drawn to those who can command attention calmly, not anxiously. Practicing mindfulness or grounding techniques can help develop this calm presence. Seventh, subtle mirroring. Our brains naturally sync with those who mirror our behaviors, a process driven by mirror neurons. Match her tone, pace, or gestures gently and naturally, not robotic mimicry. For example, if she leans in or speaks softly, adjust your posture and voice accordingly. This creates a subconscious feeling of similarity and safety, enhancing attraction. Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine you meet someone new who shares a passion for travel. You tell an unexpected funny story from a recent trip, emotional priming. You don't immediately respond to every message, showing you have your own fulfilling life, scarcity. Your texts mix humor with thoughtful questions, unpredictability. When she talks about her fears of flying, you acknowledge it thoughtfully. Validation. You share your own travel anxiety, vulnerability. When you meet, you maintain calm eye contact and relaxed posture, presence. You notice she holds her coffee cup a certain way, and you subtly do the same, mirroring. Together, these create fascination and emotional closeness over time. A crucial warning: these techniques must never be used to manipulate, deceive, or pressure. Genuine relationships thrive on respect, transparency, and consent. If she pulls back, give her space. If she sets boundaries, honor them. Attraction built on coercion or false pretenses crumbles fast. To sum up, start by making her feel emotions, then create value through scarcity and unpredictability. Deeply listen and validate her experiences. Be courageously vulnerable. Cultivate calm confidence. Mirror subtly to build unconscious rapport. Together, these build bridges for emotional connection and real attraction. Use these 7 principles as tools, not tricks, to deepen relationships and create mutual fascination. With practice and authenticity, obsession isn't about control, it's about connection.